everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I really wanted to film a one brand tutorial for you all using NYX products. I was really interested in some of the new products that they just launched. I received an email and it was showcasing NYX new glossy eyeshadows and I was like, ooh, that looks nice. So I wanted to get out there and quickly buy the product and get a tutorial out for you all. As you can see throughout this video, there's a bunch of things that go wrong, but I persevered and I got this video out, and so this is the look that I came up with. If you want to see how I got this look, come on and let's chill out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I recently went to NYX because I saw a couple of their new products on their website and in my emails, so I wanted to try them out. And initially I was going to even, do a full face brand tutorial for this video, but the foundation that I got from this store is actually too dark. I'll show you some earlier footage. So, well, whoa. I think the lady at the store might have given me, oh, it's too dark. Yeah, that is definitely too dark. Ugh. Let me see. Yeah, that's definitely too dark. Ah, stupid lady. It's on purpose. So I kind of had to scrape those plans. So I am still going to use as many NYX products as I have and I bought, but I'm not going to be able to use the foundation for you all. I also didn't buy any eyebrow products from NYX because I've tried their eyebrow products in the past and I haven't been that impressed, and I have enough of them, like my tried and true ones. So I just decided to do my eyebrows off camera. I am going to use their liquid illuminator because this gives you a really nice glow under your foundation, and I've also used this on top of my foundation in the past as a highlighter base. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this foundation, and you've seen me apply this a million times, so I'm just going to breeze through it. Now that my foundation's all applied, I'm going to go in with this NYX HD concealer. So it is their HD Studio Photogenic concealer in the color tan. And I'm actually going to apply this underneath my brows just to clean it up a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and highlight with this as well. I'm going to save my eyes for later because I got this really cool eyeshadow that NYX just came out with, and I'm going to show you all later on in the video. I'm still a bit frazzled that that lady gave me the wrong foundation color, as you, not sure if you can tell, irked. This is the face of being irked. You had plans, and then, someone just, it's like when you get ready for a date or you get ready to go out and you got the whole outfit planned, makeup's done and whatnot, and then somebody's like, I don't want to go out anymore, and you just sitting there just hurt. That's how I feel about getting that wrong foundation. That's how I feel. Now that the dramatics are over, I'm just going to go in with this concealer again and use it to highlight my face. I'm going to use this NYX mineral powder to set this under eye concealer. And I don't bake, so just as soon as I put it on, I'm going to take it right off. But it's not really my favorite. It's leaving kind of a cast, which is why I normally don't bake in the first place. But this one is, so I'm just going to keep wiping away any of the little shadow marks I see. But now I'm going to go on and use this darker concealer in the color Deep Espresso, and I'm going to use this to contour my face. just going over it with the concealer side of the beauty blender I used, and just going over it with that contour to kind of lessen the deep contour I got going on. But my nose looks snatched. Look at that bridge. Ooh. So I got this NYX, the new NYX Dirty Talk eye gloss, and it looks so cool. It's basically like a really glossy eyeshadow, and since it is kind of like a glossy eyeshadow, it kind of speaks for itself. So I'm not even gonna use like any other shadows or anything like that. I'm kind of just gonna smoke out my eye with some eyeliner. So I'm going to go in with this NYX eyeliner pencil in the Faux Blacks Obsidian color and just waterline my eyes, the top and the bottom. So now that I've waterlined my eyes, I'm just going to go in with the gloss, and they said it's best applied using your fingers. So I'm going to take one of these bad boys and I'm just going to use the gloss. I'm going to take a makeup wipe and kind of just wipe off the excess that's above my eyelid. Kind of just give it as much of a clean look as possible, even though the gloss is meant to be kind of like carefree. I'm just gonna focus it directly on the lids, and that's it. This one's kind of giving a wing. I don't mind that, but let's add that over here. I'm going to take this Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop and just put a little bit on my lower lash line in the color Stereo. Brush on some mascara and call it a day for the eyes. It's just a really simple look because the gloss kind of stands for itself. So I'm using this Pure Cosmetics Big Look with Argan Oil Waterproof Mascara. So for blush, I'm going to go in with this NYX Ombre blush in the color Instaflame. And you've seen this before in my Fairy Skull tutorial. So it kind of gives a range of color, but I'm just going to do a little bit of the hot pink side. I'm going to go really lightly. The reason I didn't go for like a plum blush, because I feel like the gloss is like really deep plum already. So I didn't want to like overdo it. But this is a really pigmented blush, so I just want to go very lightly. So I got this NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick, and it's a purple highlighter basically. So I'm just going to dab that in with my finger. I'm going to emphasize this highlight even more with this NYX Dual Chromatic Illuminating Powder. So I used this lipstick a long time ago. It's the NYX Lingerie, and it's like a really nice matte mauve color. And I'm just going to line my lips using this plum lip liner from MAC. I'm gonna add a little bit of highlighter to my inner corner. And just a little bit more to my brow bone. And I'm just going to clean up my lips a little bit with some concealer. And voila! Hi everyone, so this is the completed look. As you can see, it was a struggle filming this video. That lady at the NYX store really messed me up, and I allowed her to defeat my spirit throughout this video, but I pushed through it and I got it out, and I think that the look turned out really good. I really love their glossy eyeshadows. I think they're a little pricier than NYX normally has their eyeshadow. I think it's more like $9 or $10 for one gloss, but this is such a popular look and trend now. I think I saw glossy eyelids like in 2008 with Beyonce's If I Were a Boy video, and then it took like, you know, almost 10 years later for it to catch on, but now everyone from Pat McGrath and Kim Kardashian are doing the glossy eye look. So when I saw that NYX had it, I was like, I would like to try. So I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I really enjoyed filming it for you all, and I will see you all next week. So, bye!
What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you want